Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda CBR250R. This bike is in showroom perfect condition. Beautiful. It's also got a top case installed, a removable top case, so you can carry your stuff in there. Only 7,344 miles. This bike is just fantastic condition. Only $34.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. Come by, make your motorcycling dreams come true with this beautiful entry-level 250 fuel injection, liquid cooled, 77 miles per gallon. 2012 Honda CBR250R, only $34.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.